In this video, I will show you how to rotate a table in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word does not let you rotate a table directly, but there are two easy workarounds that work every time. I will show you two methods in this video. Number one method, put the table in a text box. To do that, we have to go to Insert tab, then go to Text box. Here you will see the text box draw option. Just click on it and you can draw a text box here like this. By clicking it, you can select the entire table and you can copy it by pressing Ctrl C or right click and you will find the copy option. Just click on it and here you just need to paste it. After pasting, you can adjust it by dragging and you can rotate it by this arrow key. Number two method is convert table into an image. First of all, I have to select the table and copy the elements. Then I have to paste the table. Here you see number third option, paste as picture. After pasting, you have to select the table and you will see the rotate option. Just rotate it. You will not be able to edit the table after this. By following these two methods, you can easily rotate a table in Microsoft Word.